Hello everyone and welcome to Dolly's Food Fusion.
The cooking show where my wife and I try to recreate my family recipes.
In our last video, we made some delicious samosas for you. Now today we're going to be making two of the most common chutneys that are usually served with samosas. A spicy mint chutney as well as a sweet tamarind chutney. Now these are both going to be perfect dipping sauces for our samosas, but they can also be used with a variety of other Indian chops and snacks as well. So what are we waiting for? Let's get cooking!
So we are gonna start with our mint chutney. This chutney is very easy. We're gonna add all these ingredients into a blender. Starting with 1 cup of mint leaves, then 1 cup of fresh coriander, four green chilies, or you can add less if you prefer. One inch of chopped ginger, 1/2 cup of roasted chana dal, the juice of 1 lime, three tablespoons of sugar, one teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of hing. Now just add a little bit of water to this. And now we are just gonna blend it until smooth. Smells so nice and fresh.
Alright, now we're going to move on to making our tamarind chutney. Add 2 cups of water to a kadai and bring it to a boil. We're also going to add about 1/2 of a block of tamarind pulp. When the pulp is fully dissolved, use a sieve to filter the tamarind water into a bowl. Run a large spoon in a circular motion over the pulp to get as much flavor out of it as possible. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil to a kadai and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them crackle. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of chopped ginger and saute for a few minutes. Now we're going to add our tamarind water. Bring this mixture to a slow boil. Then add your 1/2 cup of jaggery. Mix your jaggery in a few times. Then once it's melted, add your dates. I'm using 1/4 cup of dates with seeds removed, soaked in hot water for 30 minutes, then mashed. Then add your 1/2 teaspoon of paprika or Kashmiri chili powder. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give this all a good mix and then boil for 3 to 4 minutes on low-medium flame. The consistency of your mixture should be smooth yet thick. Once you reach your desired consistency, turn off the flame and you're done.